everyone, this is Aisha and welcome to our 36th Kotlin tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be talking about the do-while loop. In the last tutorial, we talked about the while loop, which is used to execute a number of statements, a specified number of times on the basis of some condition. And while loop is used when you do not know the number of iterations in advance. So what is the difference between while and do-while loop? In do-while loop, we have the body of the condition. We have the body of the loop first, and then after the body of the loop, we have the condition. So do-while loop is also similar to the Java do-while loop, and do-while loop can be used. First of all, you have to create a variable, a counter variable. For example, j of integer type, and I'm going to initialize it to 0. Now I'm going to use the do while loop. So do while loop, first of all you have the keyword do, and then we have the body of the do while loop, and after the body of the do while loop we have the condition. So while, and then in the parentheses we will have the condition. So as the condition becomes after the body of the loop, so this body will be executed first and then we will check the condition. So here you have the flow chart of the do while loop. First of all, we have the body of the do while loop, and after executing the body we have the condition. If condition becomes true, we move back to the body, and if the condition becomes false, the control is transferred outside the body of the loop. So now here, if j smaller than 5, so this loop will be executed 5 times. So the initial value is 0, and inside the body we will have, for example, I am simply printing a message using do while loop, and then j is smaller than 5. It means this message will be printed 5 times till j becomes 5. Then how j become 5? Because j here is 0, so you have to use the increment operator, j plus plus, which is equals to j equals j plus 1. So an increment of 1 will be made. Then the initial value of j is 0, so we can say that at first iteration j is 0, we have this printed. Then j equals 1, then j equals 1, 1 is smaller than 5. The control will again move to the body of the do while loop, and this statement is printed. This process will be continued until j becomes 5. Now run, and you can see here this statement is printed 5 times. Now what if j equal or j is smaller than 0, but we have 5 here? So now this condition is false, but before checking this condition we have our body of the do while loop. So when we are working with the do while loop, the condition becomes after the body of the do while loop, and if the condition is false, the body will be executed at least one time. But here 5 is not smaller than 0, the condition is false, and you will see that this body will be executed only one time. Run, and you can see here only one time this statement is printed. But this is not the case with the while loop. When we are working with the while loop, then this, if the condition becomes false, the control will not enter into the body of the while loop. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.